everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Discord in the mobile device. So first of all, you need to open a Google Play Store. This video is particularly for the Android users, so for the iOS you need to open the App Store and the process afterward is similar. Once you open the Play Store, you tap on search bar and type in Discord. Then tap on search. This will give you the Discord search result on the top. You need to tap on install and wait for the application to be installed. Discord is the easiest way to talk over voice, audio and text. It will help you stay connected with your friends and communities. Discord is an instant messaging social media platform where you have the ability to communicate with voice calls, video calls with different other users in Discord. With that, the application has been downloaded. Now you tap on open. And you have successfully downloaded and installed the Discord application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.